Hey, what is good, everyone? Today we're checking out BTS meme tweets, just BTS memes that got me wheezing, okay? Let's see if this is gonna make us wheeze, man. Let's like, subscribe, kpopshop.com, link in the description. Cannot do this anymore. Jungkook, naughty. Someone called. Wait, someone called Seokjin Pabi and he just. He said, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
많이 커졌네.
You've gotten a lot more muscular. Look at me, man, getting huge. Taeyang's little Jungkook imitating the Big Hit intro is the only replacement I can. Jungkookie, Jimin and Jungkookie. If they don't harm me right now. I like that one. So a couple of names should say these words. What do you say?
Hi. Hi.
What did he say?
제 피를 주고 싶네요.
네, 그렇습니다.
I want to give him my blood. Bro, what?
Hi. How you doing?
God bless you.
Bro, look at bro. Are making people nervous. Why aren't we talking about Yoongi trying to express it?
호루호루를 하면 안 돼요?
Look at the goat, man. Look at Augustine. He doesn't need coffee. He has so much energy. I know what's funny. Taeyong's disgusted face when he saw the lizard on the screen. Sunscreen on his face. Ami asked if his arms are okay, and Yoongi showed us that he can move them freely. Look at Sugar, man! Free movement. Sugar, go play me in basketball now. I'll fly to Korea. Imagine. Bro, Jimin hitting them notes. Jungkook was just chilling.
아 진짜? 야 진짜요? 이거 일어나서 인사드려야겠는 거 아니야?
아니 아미 분들께서 우리 중간 광고를 사셨다고?
진짜요?
오랜만에 나와서.
They're like, bro, what? Bro, that's something Army would actually do. Bro, they're just like confused. No hope you flexing the store shoes. Shut it. Masculine Jin in the building. What an alpha, man. He said, J-Hope, stop. Jimmy, why are you trying to spoil stuff, man?
함께 나아갑시다. 아 진짜 이기적이다. 아까 5분 넘게 안 터졌으면서.
This video is 10 times more devastating when you notice Yoongi is literally holding Jin by a little part of his sweater.
난 진짜 마음은 그랬어. 실망감이 진짜 크다. 아니 진짜 안 도망갈게. 우리 함께
Bro, really? It's like already like that. Look at Sugar, man. Girls don't want a boyfriend, they want the rap line to recreate the traffic dance, and Jin taught them. Bro, no! Did it hurt when you fell from here? Oh wait, what does that mean? Wow, how could you not know? It means you're an angel. You said what? Oh wait, Sugar said that.
Thank you, Army.
Thank you, Army.
Okay. Hola.
Oh no, Sugar was just reading the comments. Bro, Jin's hiding spot was too good. Giving the oldest Asian siblings hiding things high, so their younger siblings. Look at Jin, man, so old. Jin's so old, so tall. So inspirational. What high IQ hiding spots. Jin old, brother. Jin's so old. Why are you bringing it up? What you trying to do about it? The way Namjoon panicked. Wait, what the heck? The place is actually moving? How do they even get a set that moves like this? I'm saying, nah, this is black magic. What is going on? Never forget the time when Army literally shared one brain cell.
Okay, that's. I mean the cell phone.
Wait, what?
Let your light
Let your light
shine on
shine.
us. Put your lighters up in the sky. Come on.
I don't know.
Okay, that's. I mean the cell phone.
I don't know what it means. Compilation of Jungkook yelling. But I would have thought the light is in like the light things they're holding.
앞으로 저의 행보는
Wait, what did he say? George. I gotta figure out what he's saying so I can copy Jungkook. Jungkook, what is so inspirational, man. He's my idol. I just want to say what the things that Jungkook says, like rap monster. The way Taeyang starts to sing the film out with his honey voice. Okay, V gone crazy on the vocals.
Please provide us LP. Bless you. Bless you.
Jimin's this is fairy dust.
저희 세계 최초로 이런 상을 받게 돼서
You got bee sneeze. Oh wait, bee sneeze is fairy dust based person. He laughs like a dad. When the staff prayed the boys into thinking they could change the color of their army bomb by Bro, wait, well, how are they doing it then? Soap seeing Living La Vida Loca, Taeyang seeing film out. Bro, they're making smoothies or like mocktails, like cocktails, or like what? Wait, Jay. Oh, we're not seeing. But Sugar's not seeing. Okay, V, we get it. We don't need to keep flexing the vocal cords. Let me bring this back when Jungkook carried Yoongi. God damn, Jungkook's large! And he's in charge, man. Look at Jungkook babying BTS. JK babying BTS. Oh, he carried all of them! He baby BTS! Bro, it's not even an arm strength, the leg strength is more impressive right there. Because he has to squat, it's not that hard to just hold someone. Bro, what am I watching? Oh? What? Look at Jungkook. Yoongi verse I love yous. So bad. Bro, you know what I'm saying, bro? She'll fight cringe every single time. I don't blame him.
말을 안 해.
아이 고맙다.
아 말을 한번 해줘야지.
아 됐어.
말을 한번 해줘야지 나가지. 그러면 안 나가지.
It's like, so cringe. Hip hop, you know, it's my thing. I don't want B3 to make fun of me again. That was a joke, obviously, okay? We don't care about what B3 says. B3, fight me.
절 받고 싶다.
사랑해.
Why am I making fun? Why am I making fun of Sugar, man?
와우 신기하다 정말로 재밌는
와우.
걸 정국아 내가 랩을 시작할게 let's check it out
Oh!
back it up J-Home 내가 랩을 시작하지
Bro, Jimin sounds fire with the helium. What the heck?
Fake it love
Fake a love.
I'm so sick of this fake love fake love fake love
What?
I'm so sick of this fake love
Bro, it's kind of a vibe though. Kind of vibes. It's copyrighted. That's rough. Bro, but Jimin was kind of going crazy with the helium though. Jimin kind of go crazy with the helium though. That's kind of fire. Bro, who needs auto-tune when you have helium? Hey man, if you guys enjoyed the video, please smash that like, subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. kpotshop.com, link in the description. I'm out. See ya. Click on one of these videos or the playlist here.